In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Skyscanner works, explained for beginners. If you're new to travel booking websites, Skyscanner is a helpful platform that lets you search for different travel options in one place. To get started, go to the Skyscanner website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see that Skyscanner can be used to book three main types of travel services: flights, stays, and cars. That means you can use it to search for plane tickets, hotels or accommodations, and rental cars depending on what you need for your trip. Let's begin with flights. If you want to book a flight, click on the flight section. This opens the flight search tool where you'll enter the main details for your trip. Start by adding your departure location in the from field, then add your destination in the to field. After that, choose your depart date so Skyscanner knows when you want to leave. If you're planning a round trip, also add your return date. Next, open the travelers and cabin class option to select how many people are flying and what cabin type you want, such as economy or business. Once all of those details are entered, click search to view available flight options. This is where Skyscanner gathers results, so you can compare choices more easily. If you're looking for accommodation instead, click on Stays. In the hotel search area, enter the destination in the field that asks where you want to go. Then choose your check-in date, followed by your check-out date. After that, add the number of guests and rooms you need, and click Search. This helps narrow down the results so you can see properties that match your travel dates and group size. Now let's look at rental cars. If you want to book a car, click on Cars. In the car rental search form, enter your pickup location first. This is usually the city, airport, or specific area where you want to collect the vehicle. Next, choose your pickup date. After that, add the time for pickup. These details are important because availability and pricing often depend on the exact date and time you choose. Overall, Skyscanner works by letting you enter your travel details and then search across options for flights, stays, or cars. As a beginner, the easiest approach is to focus on one section at a time and carefully fill in each field before searching. Once you understand how each search form works, the platform becomes very simple to use.